So I saw both of these VWs roll in. So just walking up the street and they are parked here. Damn hippies. Flower child, I guess. So you got Janis Joplin, Jimi Hendrix, Grateful Dead, another Grateful Dead. Pretty cool car. Let's see what year it is. 71. And then it's parked next to this beauty. And look at that. It's got the storage basket down below the dashboard. Man, this thing is clean. Okay, 63. So it's got the glass cover over the headlights. This thing is just tearing.